Talk to Farmers and get smarter about your insurance.
We are Farmers. Bum, ba-dum, bum, 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 bum.
First tonight, another insurance company is leaving Florida. The state estimates 100,000 Florida families are about to lose their homeowners insurance when Farmers leaves. Tonight, a top state official is threatening investigations and fines to punish the company. Thank you so much for joining us. I'm Ginger Gadsden.
And I'm Matt Austin. So in a long statement, Florida's chief financial officer said in part, quote, "My guess is they're about to get hauled before the legislature to answer for their actions when the next legislative session begins." News 6's Troy Campbell is live in Orlando with new details on when you could learn if your insurance policy won't be renewed.
Tonight, I spoke with an insurance expert who says even if your policy is affected, do not worry, you will still be covered for several more months.
Your best option is to call your insurance agent and say, what's next?
Former Florida Insurance Commissioner Lisa Miller saying the announcement by Farmers Insurance to terminate coverage in the state comes months after the Florida legislature pushed for reform during an emergency session. However, she says policyholders won't notice any immediate changes.
This won't happen until probably the end of the year. By the time they meet the statutory, notice to notify customers, and the Office of Insurance Regulation has to do its review, it'll be well after hurricane season, which is a good thing. So that should put some people's minds at ease.
The company says only policies branded by Farmers will be terminated, adding it accounts for about 30% of all Florida policies. It operates under different names. The Florida Office of Insurance Regulation sending a letter to Farmers saying in part, quote, "We are disappointed by the hastiness in this decision and troubled by how this decision might have cascading impacts onto policyholders."
It's not all of their companies. They have several under their umbrella. So it's a small portion of what they write, but still it stings. And it's hard for Floridians to understand that the legislature has done so much, but we still have this happening.
Florida CFO Jimmy Patronis is calling for an investigation into the company, saying in part, quote, "They were playing politics and weren't focused on running a successful company. I sincerely believe that with today's actions, Farmers Insurance is well on its way to becoming the Bud Light of insurance." Miller says one of the biggest issues on average, Florida insurance companies pay 40% of their total revenue collected from premiums to pay for their own insurance called reinsurance, saying those costs need to be decreased.
We also need to do more with some of the pending litigation that's out there, and think of stronger, better ways to stop some of the shenanigans that some of our lawyers do, because it's better for them and not for Floridians.
Patronis also says that litigation payouts have decreased by 40% when compared to next year. And again, Miller says even if your policy is affected, you will be covered until the end of hurricane season. Live in Orlando tonight, Troy Campbell, Getting Results, News 6.